Alright, greetings to you all. This is Net Solution. This night, I'll show you guys how to fix this phone charging port. A customer brought this phone this night for me to fix the charging port, and I'm not with any of my tools. I don't have my tools with me. I don't have my workstation. I don't have my blower. But the customer reading this phone this night, I want to fix the charging port of this phone without soldering iron and without the workstation. So I will show you guys how I'll be able to fix that. This is Infinix 612 Infinix HD Smart HD. All right, okay. I will show you guys how we do that using this. This is a lighter. This is a lighter. This is just a gas lighter. I will show you guys how you can do it using only lighter to fix charging ports. Let me show you guys. You can see this is lighter. This is lighter. All right, I'll show you guys how I'll fix the charging ports using just lighter. All right, okay, stick with me. Let me show you guys how you can do that. First I have to dismantle the phone. This is the charging flares of the phone. Now I will show you guys how I will check this charging port. I will change this charging port with just a lighter. Okay, I'll change with just this lighter. Okay, this is just a lighter. You can see this is gas lighter. All right, you can use this to work or repair and pull out any IC, or so you can just use this to pull out any IC. This is a gas lighter, not ordinary lighter. You can see the color is blue. Okay, the color is blue simply means this is a gas lighter. It doesn't have something like smoke. So let's try to fix this. Here is my paste. This is the liquid paste. All right, so what I have to do is first I have to apply some paste. Okay, right here, this is my lighter. what I have here is my liquid lead. This is liquid lead. Yeah, close.
I don't even think I have a home.
So this is how you can fix the phone without using a soldering iron nor a workstation. As you can all see, I just fixed this using gas lighter. Just with this, without the workstation, without soldering iron, you can make use of this to fix your charging port or pull out any IC and fix it back with just a gas lighter. This is not just an ordinary lighter. Okay. Thank you guys, and stick with me in that video. Follow me up for next tutorial. I will show you guys how you can do more things with this. Okay, thank you guys, see you in my next video.